So Bluetooth speakers. All right, so these are also part of the items you can include. This one is nice, eh? This one is really nice. These are part of the parcels that you can include in phone accessory business. All right, so I got a lot of them, different types. So we are unpacking them, all of them. Okay. So that's nice. Looks great. Wow. Looks great, guys. Like I said, I just feel like sleeping over here tonight. Man, I don't know what business has done to me. The way I just love my business. I mean, the way I love being at my shop. It's just awesome, man. This is a feeling I couldn't get when I was teaching. It's a feeling of feeling the way I'm feeling. It's a very nice feeling. So guys, so Bluetooth speakers, very nice. So I'm unpacking everything. Let me see what this has. So this is a Sanda. I don't know how you call it. Call it Sunda or whatsoever it is. Right. So this one has the following. You can put the memory card there, flash there. Okay, you can charge it with here. I'm sure this is the on button. Okay, so this one can be charged in two ways. It's either you can charge it here, okay, or you can charge it using the solar here. Okay, I don't know what this is for. It's for sound, right? It's for the speaker. Okay. Alright, it has also some buttons in here. Okay, these are the buttons it has. And the LEO for FM. It's kind of nice. Yeah. It's kind of nice. Okay, so there's also this one. It's nice as well. So this one has what and what? Oh, this one also has a touch, right? Okay. Bluetooth So this one can be charged twice with the solar and also with the charger there. Okay. All right, let's check for some more and more. I got some more. Well, I got some more. Okay. Let's check for some more. Oh, it's falling. Look at me. It's falling. Okay. It feels good. That's nice. Okay, so this one has double speakers. Okay. Let's check the book. Alright. So we have flash, TF cards, charging, power on. Okay. Bluetooth mode. This one has a very nice sound, huh? It looks good, right? Okay. Great. We continue. Come over there. This one looks like a television shape. Let me open it. Like a television shape. Oh, okay. Let me show you guys. Wait. Don't go anywhere. Let me open this one. All right. We got it. Here. Okay. Oh boy. So this is how it looks. This one looks like a television. Like a television, guys. Like a television. Hello there, you're watching Simba. You are watching Simba. Bluetooth mode. Okay, so this one also gives a nice shape. Okay. Another one. This one. This one also. Let's see what it got. Okay. These MP3s have got very nice, very nice shapes, huh? They're looking nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So guys, you can also include this in your own phone accessories. Well, like I always say, whatever that you want, just WhatsApp me. We talk. Okay, Sika, I need this and this, and I can supply it to you. I didn't go for this item. Just send it over. Can do the same with you. Whatever you are, we can send them over. Or the parcels. Well, I'm all connected. I can tell you that I got so many suppliers. Even the things that I don't sell, I got suppliers for them. So if I just jump, I say I want to do this.
MCE speaker, making you young forever.
Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Wow, they're nice. So if I stand out, so let me do this, I'll do it because I already have the connections. All right, it's right there. This one is tiny. This one is small. It's small. Guys, look at this one. It's so tiny. It's tiny, guys. Check. It's very tiny. It's tiny. It's tiny, guys. It's tiny. But it is well compacted. Power on, flash, card, charging. And you can charge it using solar. Okay, it has a flashlight as well. Woohoo! This one is tiny and nice, man. Okay, the light. Okay, let's try the lights in the dark. Let's try the light in the dark. Okay. It's not bad. But it is working. Okay. No, we don't need to underestimate this one. It's working. It's working, guys. It's working. Off. Right, so guys, you can do that. Get these items. They are nice in your shop. They move faster. Also, this one is big. They move faster. There are so many types in here. There's so many types. So many types, right? So many types. Wow. My favorite. Here is my favorite one. Here is my favorite. I love this one. Love of my life. Now look at the way it is. It also has a touch. It has all the buttons in here. All these. Okay. This is also nice and tiny. No, this one is not tiny. This one is big. It's big. Wide. It's big. It's big. It's big. It's bigger. Okay, which one else? There's another type here. Guys, I'm doing this for you. If you need this, tell me, I'll buy for you. I'll send wherever you are. In case you need the prices, you have my WhatsApp line. Contact me. +260 979 510170. What? Look at this one. It's nice. Wow. It reminds me of the old times, right? Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. Okay. Wow, guys. Wow. This one is making sense.
Bluetooth mode.
And it is coming out with a very... Have you heard the sound? Mudundo. That's why they call them buzz. It has a lot of buzz. Have you heard?
Sunda. Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. I wish I can try some, but because of copyright issues, I don't have my personal songs I can post. Wish I can try them though. Yeah. Do we have some more? Yeah, we do. We do. Okay. We do have some more.